Dogecoin value equivalent to 0.1952 Jabber a coin. The present Jibber cost range, 0.244. The earlier day closed Jibber. The change was Jibber, 0.76%. Backwards rate, Jabber to Doge. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for Jibber 2025. At the Jabber cost at 2.857 coins, excessive cost 2.857 while low Jabber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge conjecture toward the month's end, 2.439, change for Jabber 14.6%. US to Doge Jabber for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 2.439 Jabber, excessive cost Jibber, while low 2.439, the Jibber at the midpoint of cost 2.736. The USD to Doge figure toward the month's end 2.941, change for spring Jabber. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for April Jibber. Jibber cost at 2.941 coins. Jabber cost 3.03 while low 2.703. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 2.883. The USD to Doge Jabber toward the month's end 2.857, change for April 2.9%. Jabber to Doge expectation for May 2025. To start with, cost at 2.857 Jabber. Exorbitant cost 3.030 while low Jibber. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The Jibber to Doge estimate toward the month's end 2.778, change for May 2.8%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for June Jabber. At the Jibber cost at 2.778 coins. Jabber cost 2.778 while low 2.326. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 2.596. The USD to Doge Jabber toward the month's end 2.500, change for June 10%. To Jibber expectation for July 2025. At the outset cost at 2.500 Jabber, excessive cost 2.564 while low Jibber. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 2.417. The USD to Doge figure toward the Jabber end 2.381, change for July 4.8%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for August Jibber. Initially cost at Jabber coins, excessive cost Jibber while low 1.923. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 2.182. The USD to Doge figure toward the month's end 2.041, change for August Jabber. Jibber to Doge expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at Jibber coins, excessive cost Jabber while low 1.639. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 1.869. The USD to Doge figure toward the Jabber end 1.754, change for September 14.1%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for October Jabber. To start with, cost at Jibber coins, Jibber cost 1.818 while low 1.587. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to Jibber conjecture toward the month's end 1.695, change for October 3.4%. US to Doge expectation for Jibber 2025. At the Jabber cost at 1.695 coins, excessive cost 1.695 while low Jibber. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 1.606. The USD to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 1.563, change for Jabber 7.8%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for Jibber 2025. At the outset cost at Jabber coins, Jibber cost 1.563 while low 1.266. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to Jibber conjecture toward the month's end 1.351, change for December 13.6%. US to Doge expectation for Jabber 2026. At the Jabber cost at 1.351 coins, Jabber cost 1.351 while low 1.149. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 1.272. The USD to Jibber figure toward the month's end 1.235, change for January 8.6%. Dollar to Jibber figure for February 2026. Initially cost at Jabber coins, excessive cost 1.316 while low Jibber. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 1.27. The USD to Jibber figure toward the month's end 1 point, change for February 1.2%. Jibber to Doge expectation for Walk 2026. Initially cost at Jibber coins, Jibber cost 1.266 while low 1.99. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The Jabber to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1.176, change for spring 3.6%. Dollar to Dogecoin Jibber for April 2026. To start with, cost at 1.176 Jibber, exorbitant cost Jibber while low 0.943. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge gauge toward the Jabber end 1.0, change for April 14.1%. Jibber to Doge expectation for May 2026. To start with, cost at 1.0 Jabber, Jibber cost 1.163 while low 1.010. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge estimate toward the Jibber end 1.087, change for May 7th 6%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for Jabber 2026. To start with, cost at 1.87 Jibber, exorbitant cost 1.299, while low Jabber, the found the middle value of cost Jibber. The Jabber to Doge estimate toward the month's end 1.25, change for June 10.9%. US to Doge Jabber for July 2026. At the Jibber cost at 1.205 coins, Jabber cost 1.250 while low 1.087. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 1.176. The USD to Jibber conjecture toward the month's end 1.163, change for July 3.5%. Dollar to Jabber conjecture for August 2026. At the outset, cost at Jabber coins, excessive cost 1.316 while low Jibber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The Jabber to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 1.220, change for August 4.9%. Jibber to Doge expectation for September 2026. At the outset, cost at 1.22 Jabber, excessive cost 1.538 while low Jibber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 1.429, change for September Jibber. Dollar to Jabber figure for October 2026. Initially cost at 1.429 Jabber. Jibber cost 1.429 while low 1.149. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 1.3111. The Jibber to Doge figure toward the month's end 1.235. Change for October minus 13.6%. Jibber to Doge expectation for November 2026. To start with, cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost Jabber while low 1.235. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1.471, change for November Jibber. Dollar to Dogecoin Jibber for December 2026. To start with, cost at 1.471 Jabber, exorbitant cost 1.887 while low Jibber. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1.754, change for December Jabber. Jabber to Doge expectation for January 2027. In the first place, cost at 1.754 Jibber, Jabber cost 1.754, while low 1.408. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1.55, change for January Jibber. Dollar to Dogecoin Jibber for February 2027. In the first place, cost at 1.515 Jabber. Exorbitant cost Jibber while low 1.408. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge Jibber toward the month's end 1.515, change for Feb 0.0%. USD to Jabber expectation for Walk 2027. To start with, cost at Jibber coins, exorbitant cost 1.818 while low Jabber. The arrived at the midpoint